Hi, my name is Vanessa Younes, and I'm a registered physiotherapist here at Full Function Rehab and Wellness. So today I'm going to show you how to do an eccentric strengthening exercise for Achilles tendinitis. So Achilles tendinitis is basically an overuse injury that affects the Achilles tendon right at the bottom part of your ankle here. So it's the lower end of your calf muscle and its connection point into the heel. So an eccentric strengthening exercise for that, basically what you're doing is you're lengthening the muscle at the same time as you're strengthening it. So it prevents continued overuse, but you still get to strengthen that area. So all you need to do this exercise is a step. So at home you can use your stairs. You can have, if you have a stepper like this at home or at the gym, that also works as well. Just make sure that you have something nearby for support, just in case you lose your balance, you have something there just to hang on to so you're not injuring yourself any further. So you're going to climb up onto the step. So let's say that my right foot is the one that has the Achilles tendinitis on it. Holding onto the bar, I'm going to come up on both feet with equal weight. Then I'm going to shift my weight over to my right side, kind of lifting my left leg off just a little bit. And I'm going to slowly lower myself down for a count of 5 seconds. Nice and slow and controlled. And then I'm going to bring myself back up with both feet. Again, shift my weight over to my right side and slowly lower down for 5 seconds. And as you notice, my heels are hanging off the step, just to add a little extra stretch at the end so that I can get the full length of that Achilles tendon at the same time as I'm strengthening it. And it should be comfortable. If there's any pain, try and ease off on how far you're going down. But definitely make sure that you talk to your healthcare provider first to make sure it's the right exercise for you.